In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to stop users from remixing your reels or photos or whatever videos you have on your Instagram. Now, creators can turn this feature off anytime by following, guys, these simple steps. You will be able to turn off remixing on Instagram. Now, all you have to do, guys, is you want to open your Instagram account, of course. Now, after that, guys, you want to click your profile at the very bottom right. Now, after you are on your profile, you just want to click on three little lions in the top right. And then you want to click on settings. Now, as you can see, guys, a few different options will come up here. You want to click where it says privacy. Now, if you look here, guys, you will see here reels and remix. Okay, now if you don't see here reels and remix, probably you have a private account. This doesn't work on private accounts. Now turn it to public and you will see here reels and remix. Click on it, and here you will see here allow for reels. You can turn it off if you want. And also you will see here two other different options. Now, as you can see, Instagram says here, when you turn it off, no one can remix your photos, no one can remix your reels. Now, if you want to turn it off for feed videos, you just turn it off like this, toggle this off. And like you see here, no one can create new remixes with your feed videos. Existing remixes will not be affected. So keep in mind that existing remixes will not be affected by this. Now, for photos, you can just toggle it off again like this. And that's exactly, guys, how you can turn off remixing on Instagram. If this video helped you, please drop a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.